stuck in the low tier on Amazon merch and wondering why you are not leveling up, even though you're putting in the work, or maybe you're tired of AI generated junk flooding the marketplace while your well designed products get buried. So, Amazon just announced big changes to the merch on demand program. Updates that will completely shift how tiers work, how your products launch, and even which ones survive. These aren't just small tweaks, they are strategic moves that could either unlock your growth or quietly push you out. If you want to rise through the tiers, protect your royalties, and actually make this program work for you, keep watching. Hi, my name is RJ Martinez. I've been selling on Amazon merch for over 8 years. I've made over $400,000 in royalties all time and sold more than 125,000 products. I lived through almost every update, every policy change, and I'm still here and growing. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start winning, let's break this all down. The real reasoning behind the update. Let's start with the big picture. Because this update isn't just Amazon cleaning house for fun. Amazon merch is a customer first platform. And over the years, it's been flooded with copycat designs, low effort AI spam, bloated catalogs full of products that haven't even sold in years. So this update, it's Amazon putting the brakes on all of that. They're prioritizing designs that customers actually want and making it easier for those designs to rise to the top. They want a clear catalog, a sharper product offering, and a better shopping experience. And that leads to more conversions, which means more royalties for the people doing it right. If you're making quality, original designs, this update is actually on your side. It's cutting the noise so that the real creators can shine again. Tier system overhaul. This is the one that's shaking people up, the new tier system. Before it was based on lifetime sales. Now it's based on your performance in the last 12 months. Both the number of products sold and the percentage of your catalog that it's selling. This is huge. It means your current momentum matters way more than your past. If your catalog is active and your designs are converting, you'll tier up faster than ever. But if your uploads are mostly sitting unsold, your tier progress may slow down. Here's the strategy. Stop playing the upload game, start playing the conversion game. Design smarter, target real niches, create things people actually want to buy. Under this new system, the quality is your tier rocket. So I think one of this right here being said, it's one of the most important things is understanding that research is a very big factor when it comes to this, because you want to create something that someone wants to buy. You don't want to create something that's going to sit up there because it's going to affect your account. The more products you sell, the better. The more designs you sell, the better. Variation selection simplified. Next variation, limits. Instead of launching a product with 10 plus colors and multiple fits, Amazon will start small and expand only if your product performs. That means your launch matters more than ever. A strong design, solid keywords, that's what triggers the algorithm to unlock more options over time. So if you're used to launching and forgetting, this change means you need to treat each design like a mini product launch. Stop spraying and praying. More intentional strategy. Launch smarter, and the algorithm will reward you. Product deletion returns. Amazon is officially resuming their product deletion policy. If a product hasn't had at least one sale in the past 18 months, it will be removed from the platform. And I get it, that can sting. You worked hard on the design and you're hoping it would catch on eventually, but let's be real. If it hasn't sold in a year and a half, it probably won't. This is your sign to start designing with purpose. Create products with staying power, evergreen ideas, seasonal trends, or even niche utility. If something gets deleted, but you believe in it, revise it, re-upload it, improve it. Treat deletions as a data, not failure. That's very powerful. Pricing and royalty adjustments. Let's talk about money. Amazon still controls the final pricing, right? But your suggested price matters. And yes, prices and royalties can change depending on the market conditions. So your royalties might fluctuate. But here's the upside. If Amazon lowers your price to stay competitive and results in more sales, you could still end up making more over time. Focus on volume, value, and conversions, and not just royalty per shirt. Start with realistic prices, track performance, adjust where needed. The more you understand your pricing sweet spot, the more stable your royalties will be. Deal events, what to expect. Now let's talk about promotions. Amazon will be running deal events and your design could be auto included. You don't have to apply. Amazon chooses based on performance. During deal events, your design and price are temporarily locked. Royalties still apply based on what the customer pays. And if your product performs, that boost can lift your whole catalog. So be strategic, design with gifting seasons, trending topics in mind. If Amazon picks your shirt for a promo, that's not luck, that's good preparation. AI spam, copycats, and platform abuse. Now, let's get real. This platform has been dealing with AI spam, copycats, and account abuse for a while now. Some sellers are uploading copyrighted content, violating trademarks, and even selling their accounts to people who have no clue what the rules are. And every time that happens, it hurts everyone else. And that's something that pisses me off when it comes to this. Understanding that someone, for me personally, that's been on the platform for years, and I'm pretty sure you too, you're trying to go by the rules. And if you see other people coming onto the platform and abusing the platform and messing up our ranking that we work so hard for, it can literally mess up your money in your pocket. And I get that. So let me say this clearly. If you're buying accounts, ripping off brands, or uploading stolen content, you're not a creator. You're a liability, and Amazon will catch up with you. But if you're doing things right, you're about to stand out, and Amazon is quietly cleaning house. They're building a platform that favors originality, effort, and brand building. You do not need to outrun the AI. You just need to outlast it. Focus on what makes your designs different, build your catalog, and play the long game. That's where the win is. Final thoughts and some motivation to help you push. So what does all this really mean? It means the bar just got higher, but the opportunity is still massive. Amazon is filtering out the fluff. And if you got real skill, real strategy, and real vision, this is your moment. You got two choices. You can complain and hope it gets easier, or you can evolve and get better. If this video gave you clarity and motivation, or just a little push, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. I want to hear how you're handling the update. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I got more no fluff merch content coming your way. Let's build something real. See you in the next one. And if you want to see how you can do low competition niche research to help get more eyeballs on your actual designs, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.